Removing 2 small and 4 face stones from the VULSINI bag, place 1 small and 2 face stones on either side of the client and begin introducing the heat of the first 2 small stones you will be working with. When the stones have reached a comfortable temperature, briefly perform effleurage to the area before using the edge of the stones to perform alternating sweeping movements from the bottom of the neck to the lower jaw. When you've finished sweeping the stones around the neck, take a stone to each side of the edge of the jaw and perform small circular movements, working your way towards the chin. Once you reach the chin, reverse the movement back along the edge of the jaw. Continuing around the back of the ears. Now, with the pair of face stones, introduce the heat to the face before performing small circular moves with the edge of the stones, starting below the mouth. Work the stones around the mouth to the upper lip, jumping over the mouth to repeat the move. Using the flat of the stones, sweep around the jaw to the temples, before continuing with the edge of the stones to work over the frontalis muscle, over the nose, and around the zygomatic bone back to the temples. And repeat. Using the second pair of face stones, introduce the heat to the face. And starting at the temples, sweep over the frontalis muscle to the zygomatic bone and back to the temples. Holding a stone against one temple, use the other to perform a figure of 8 around the eyes. Repeat with the other stone. Follow with alternating sweeps up one side of the face. And repeat on the other side. Holding the stones at the center of the frontalis muscle, gently spread them outwards towards the temples, stretching the muscle. Taking 2 new small stones, introduce the heat to the face. Beginning at the center of the frontalis muscle, use the edge of the stones to press and release along pressure points on the forehead. Work outwards and from the center, mirroring the position of the stones. Continue pressing and releasing from the center of the frontalis muscle, upwards and over the center of the scalp. To finish, place the stones in the natural indentation against the occipital bone and gently pull upwards. On damp cotton pads, place a chilled eye stone over each eye.